Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Maths online class. So, we are to discuss the last topic of the chapter graph. What is that? Line graph. So, for what we are using line graph, how to represent using line graph, we can discuss these concepts in today's class. So, a line graph is used to represent something, the growth of something. For example, the growth of a baby. When a baby was 6 months old, when he was 1 year old, then 2 year old, what is his growth rate in his weight, his height, etc. So, if you want to plot something like that growth rate and all, we are using line graph. So, let's see some example questions for line graphs. So let's discuss an example for line graph. I said we are taking line graph in order to express the growth of something. So here there is an example for showing the growth of a plant, height of a plant. So this is the data. In the first week 0 centimeter, that means it has not come out. First week its height was 5 centimeter, that means it grown up 5 centimeter. Second week 9.5. In the third week 11.5. Fourth week 13 centimeter. Fifth week 14 centimeter. Then sixth week 15 centimeter. So this is the growth height of a plant. That is growth of the height of a plant. So let's take or represent this data on a line graph. So here we are taking two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. In one we are taking the week and the other we are taking the height. So it corresponds to the both datas. One side you are taking the week and the other side you are taking the height. So try to draw these line graphs on a graph paper. So this is a graph paper. Here this is represent the height of the plant. The plant in each week. So this side we are considering it, and this is the week. That means first week, second week, third week, etc. In this side we are taking the height. So keep the data with you. What is the data? First it is 0, isn't it? Both week and height 0. So we can start from 0. Then when first week, what is the height of the plant? 5. So these two datas we can represent. So first it was 0. Both the height of the plant and the week it was 0. So marking 0. First 0 itself. Then first week, what was the height? 5. So here where is 5? Here 5. 5 corresponding to 1. So the both same should be on the same line. So that is the first point. Then second week. Second week, what is the value? It is 9.5. We have 9 here, then 10. So in between will be 5. So 9.5. Then third week what? Third week 11.5. Again 11.5 comes between 11 and 12. So again there you're marking. Then fourth week 13. So that you can mark it directly. Then fifth week 14. Sixth week 15. Now joining all the points you will get what? This is the line graph of the height of the plant from 0 week to 6 weeks. So this way you have to draw the line graph. Why I am asking you to take a graph paper? Because then you will get the correct point, because in graph paper there is lined paper, so you will get the points correctly. Second example, this is from your textbook exercise 3, first question. It is the record of Deepak's weight from time he was born. So let me read the data first. In 0 month his weight was 3.5. Then first one month it increased to 4.5. Then second month 5.5. Third month 6.5. Fourth month 7. Fifth month 7.5. Then sixth month 8.0. That is 8. This all the weight is expressed in kilogram. So this is the weight of the Deepak, and this is month. So we are going to draw this data on the line graph. So when we are taking the line graph, what will we'll take? One side we are taking the weight of Deepak and the other side month. That is, here it is not week wise but month wise. Now first one it is 0. What is the weight? 3.5. So then he was 0. His weight was 3.5. So 3.5 means it will be between 3 and 4. Half, isn't it? So 3.5. So it is already marked here. Then in the first month 4.5. So taking first, again 4.5 comes between 4 and 5. That also marked here. Then second one. Second month, what is the weight? 5.5. So say taking second, 5.5 means that will come between where? 5 and 6. So this is 5.5. Then in the third month, where it is coming? Third month 6.5. So third month, this is the line for 3 and 6 comes here, isn't it? 6 comes here. So 6.5, 3 here. So 6.5. Clear? Then fourth month 7. So where is 4 here? 4. Then where is 7 here? So that line, both lines were coinciding here, 4 and 7. This is 4, then 7. It is coinciding here. So this is next one. Then fifth one, fifth month it is 7.5. So taking the line, fifth line. Where is the fifth month coming? Here. Then 7.5. So here 7.5 is coming here. Then last sixth month the weight is 8. So here 6 is coming here, 8 is coming here. So 8 here. Yes, so 8 is coming here. So we marked all the points, isn't it? That is 0 month, first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, sixth month. And we marked all the points. Now what is the last step? We have to join all these points and then we'll get the line graph. So this is the line graph showing the growth of Deepak's weight when he was born. From the time he born to 6 months. Okay. Got the line graph of Deepak's weight. This is the line graph. Now there are some questions regarding this graph. What was Deepak's weight when he was born? So when he was born, what was his weight? 3.5 kg. This is his weight. So when he born, he was having 3.5 kg. What was the increase in his weight after 3 months? That is, after 3 months, what was his weight? 6.5, isn't it? Or in the data you can see in the third month he is having 6.5. At the time of birth he was having only 3.5 kg. It increased to 6.5. So what has increased it? Yes, 3.5 plus what will give you 6.5? Yes, 3 kg. So his weight increased by 3 kg. Now, how much weight did he gain in the first 6 months? That is, when he was born, he was having 3.5 kg. Now, last his weight is 8. So, presently he is in 6th month and he is having weight 8 kilogram. That is, from 3.5 he increased to 8, isn't it? So, how much increase did he have? For that, you can subtract 8 minus 3.5, which will give you 4.5 kg. So the total weight increased or he gained in the 6th month is 4.5 kg. Guess what his weight will be after 7 months. So we have data only up to here 6 and he was having 8 kilogram. So after 1 month maybe it will be increased to 8.5 or 9. That they have asked you to take a guess only. We cannot say accurate value. So maybe 8.5 or 9. So this was a question. Second example, this is a question from your textbook itself. Second question. This is a record of Aisha's height from the month 0 to 6. So what is 0? That is 50 centimeter. Then first month it is 54 centimeter. Second month 57 centimeter. Third month 60 centimeter. Fourth 62 centimeter. Fifth 64. 65.5 centimeter. So this is the data and we have to plot this in line graph. So what all we take? One side will take month and the other side will take the height of Aisha. So let's draw the graph. So here we are taking the month and this side we are taking considering the height. Now 0 month, what is her height? 50 centimeter. So it's already marked here, isn't it? 0 in the month 0 she is having 50 centimeter height. Then in the first month it increased to 54, that is also marked here. Then in the second month her height was 57, so this is second and 57 is coming here. So where does the point comes? Here, isn't it? So mark 57. Yes, so this is 57. In the second month 57. Now third month, what is her height? 60. So third month, where is 60? This is 60. This line is 60 and this is third month. Okay, this is the point, right? So marking. Yes, we got the third month point. Now fourth month, what is it? 62, isn't it? Fourth month 62. So again going fourth month, where is 62? Here it is 62, right? Yes, this is 62. Now fifth month, what we have? 64. So where is 64? Here. So 64. Yes. Then sixth month, what is the value? 65.5. 65 is coming here. So 65.5 will be here. So we marked all the points, isn't it? First month, 0 months, first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, sixth month, and we mark the point like this. Now what is the final step for line graph? We have to join all these points. So let's join it. Yes, this is the line graph of Aisha's height from her birth to the 6th month. Now we have some questions here. What are they? What was Aisha's height when she was born? She was having 50 centimeter. What was the increase in her height in the first month? So when she was born, she was having 50 centimeter. Then first month she is having how much? 54. So from 50 to 54, how much centimeter she increased? 4 centimeter. Then what was the increase in her height in the 6th month? So here in 5th month she was having 64 centimeter. In 6th month she raised to 65.5. So what increased make her? From 64 it increased to 65.5. So how much increased? 1.5. Or to get the answer you can subtract 65.5 minus 64. Then you will get 1.5. Or you can simply say 164 plus 1.5 is 65.5. That is, she was having 64 centimeter height in the 5th month. In 6th month, it increased by 1.5 to 65.5. Now, guess what her height will be after 7 months as it increases at the same rate as it was in the 6th month. That is, in the 6th month, how much increased? 1.5. Now, they are asking what will be her height in the 7th month if the increase in the same rate. That is, from 5th month to 6th month, it increased 1.5. Now, in the 6th month also, if it increased 1.5, what will be the height? 65.5 plus 1.5, you will get 67 centimeter. So, this was some questions regarding the line graph. So, this is how we are drawing the line graph. Line graph, I told you, we are plotting it to show growth of something. Here, 2 examples we discussed. That was one, the growth of a plant, its height. Second example, Deepak's height. Then third example, Aisha's height. So 3 example we worked out showing the growth, height, isn't it? Height, weight, etc. So line graph we are using to show the growth rate. So winding up today's class, today we discussed the concept of line graph. So for what we are using the line graph? To represent the growth of something. That means growth of a baby, growth of a plant, or growth of a business firm, etc. If you want to plot anything related to growth, we can use line graph. Copy down the notes given and attend the test paper. From the chapter graphs, we have completed all the topics. Main three concepts we have covered in this chapter, that is using tally marks, then circle graphs and line graphs. So that's all about the chapter graphs. You can practice more questions from these questions from this chapter and clear your doubts. So that's all from the chapter graphs. Thank you.